Welcome to TreePlotter University, also known as TPU, a student-oriented free version of TreePlotter. The intended use for this program is to provide students and professors with a tool capable of managing inventories of trees and other assets. Students will be able to create their own inventories, filter data, edit their attributes, and export their data all under the umbrella of TreePlotter's organizations. Each organization in TPU represents a different university, and their data is separated and inaccessible by other schools. TPU is intended for use in educational settings, not long-term maintenance or management of campus assets. For this reason, each university is limited to the number of trees it can collect, and the data will be cleaned out at the end of each semester, trimester, or class. Exceptions to this can be made for things like standard test data that professors may want to create coursework around, or agreements between small communities and universities to collect data on their urban forest. We're willing to work with you to ensure you get the most out of this program. Now we'll go over a couple important notes regarding TPU. A professor or teaching assistant would ideally be the administrator for the university's TPU organization. As an admin level user, they will be able to create, edit, and delete student accounts, as well as change or delete large amounts of trees at one time. As a student, you will be able to export your data as either a shapefile for use in geospatial programs like ArcGIS or a CSV file in the hopes of making TPU very compatible with typical forestry or GIS coursework. All right, are you ready to get started with an account? To do so, go to the welcome screen and then click this button here located on the left-hand side. Once you do that, you'll notice information, which is everything I covered in the first couple minutes of this video. Most importantly, you'll want to send an email to support@planitgeo.com. Please be sure to include your name, estimated number of students, school name, length of course, and any other notes for our staff, and we will be in contact within 1 to 2 business days with your account access. Once you have account access, congratulations, you're now ready to get started collecting data. As with any new tool, you'll need to spend a little time getting familiar with how to use the software. For this, I recommend our outstanding support site. Let's go take a look now. To get to our support page, go to planitgeo.com, then go to About Us towards the top right corner of the page, and then drop down to Software Support. On the homepage of the support site, you'll notice various options that will help you dive into learning more about the software. Let's take a quick look at the Getting Started option. This is a great place to start if you're new to TreePlotter. Here you'll notice a variety of brief tutorials such as the app navigation or adding trees. Another great resource are the training videos which show you step-by-step how to add a tree or how to use the interactive legend. Let's take a look now. One last helpful tip to search for information and learn more about the software is to utilize the search bar on the homepage of the support site. Here you can type in whatever you want to know. So for example, if you want to learn more about the advanced filter, you can type that in and see all the results that come up. Once you've familiarized yourself with the basics of TreePlotter, you're now ready to get out and start plotting some trees. Happy plotting!